Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can be able to get the right knowledge, the right guidance, the right education to be able to become a profitable trader. Thank you so much for your patience today. We were meant to start this live section by 9 o'clock, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, we had some network delays, and these network delays made us not able to start this live session by 9 o'clock. So I hope you guys are ready for this big opportunity. I hope you're ready to get the education. I hope you're ready to get the market technical breakdown. Today we'll be focused more on the technical breakdown. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Sorry for the brief network transmission. Good evening, Atama. Good evening, Atama. Thank you for your patience. Please, I want everyone to have mercy on me because this meeting was meant to be scheduled by 9 o'clock, but due to some unforeseen circumstances with our network over here, we are not able to launch live by 9 o'clock, and we have been fighting with the network so far. But I'm glad we're here now. Please, if this is your first time, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment below your questions, comment below your answers, comment below your interaction. Let's make this more like an interaction section. So this is the market fundamental and technical breakdown for the time period of 13th May to 17th May. 13th May to 17th May, and we're going to go through just the technical aspects today, okay, because we already run out of time. We're going to then handle the fundamental aspect tomorrow, 7 a.m. And I hope that tomorrow's session is going to be very impactful. It's going to be very educational. And I'm going to be doing some giveaways tomorrow. So don't miss tomorrow's session by 7 a.m. That is the 13th of May 2024. So now let's dive into the chart. We'll just be focused on the technical aspects, okay? We're not going to be talking about the fundamental aspects today. If this is your first time, don't forget to smash the like button, comment below your questions, and I hope you share with us your answers towards what we have taught you today. Okay, please, if you can see my screen, type forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen, type forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen, type forex on the comment section. Guys, if you can see my screen, type forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen, type forex on the comment section. Okay, Atama says FX, FX, FX. Good, good. Good. Who else can see my screen? Okay, Azuro Daniel says Forex. Fantastic. Okay, so with that said, let's dive into our topic for today, which has to do with technical aspects. Okay, I'm mixing up the technical aspects with some sentiments as well. Okay, please watch to the end. We'll be dropping some opportunities as well, guys. And if you have any questions on whatever we are talking about, drop it on the comment section. I'll take it slow. I will not be fast. Okay, I would try as much as possible to make sure you understand it, and I'll break it down. Good evening, Glory Raymond. Good evening. Welcome to today's market technical and sentiment breakdown. Okay, we'll try as much as possible to enlighten you guys about what we're doing. So let me start with some of the tips for you guys being on this call, being patient enough to wait for me to launch this call. The banks analyze the market, and the market is under the influence of 80% fundamentals. Fundamentals have to do with news, and then 20% technical, which has to do with price. Okay, so currently you're looking at a price chart. Okay, let me explain this to beginners. We're looking at a price chart, and up here on the top left, okay, this is where they tell you the symbol of the price chart. If you can read what they says there, it says US dollar index H4 TVC. Okay, so this means we are currently watching the index of the United States dollar. If this index is going up, for instance, we see over here it increased from 104 up to 106.51. It means that the dollar is gaining strength. If this index falls from 106.49 down to about 104.51, it means that the dollar is weak. That's the meaning of the US dollar index. It shows the strength of the dollar. And the dollar is the world power, is the world currency. Okay. And for us who analyze this market technical breakdown, we focus mainly on the major currencies. Major currencies are currencies that are traded against the dollar. Okay. So right now today we are breaking down the strength of the dollar for the time period of 13th May to 17th May. How we think the dollar will react, and how we intend to trade this reaction to make money in the market. So with that said, below here we have time. Okay, this is Monday 8th April 2024 by 6 p.m. below. Okay, let me shift it over here. We have another time here, Monday 29th April 2024 by 22 o'clock. Okay, this is time. So on a chart, what comprises of a chart is time and what and price. Over here we have price, okay, 105.135. Okay, so this price can tally with a particular time, okay, and then it gives us the graphical representation based on what you're seeing right here. We analyze it and we say that we're doing technical analysis. Why we depend solely on this type of analysis is because we know that the banks control the market or trade 20% fundamentals and 80% fundamentals and 20% technicals. But currently on this chart we can see the whole transaction. We have about 13 million traders all over the world, both banks, both institutions, retail traders, companies. So everything these guys are doing, okay, we can see it on the chart, okay, and that is why we mainly analyze the chart. One thing you need to have in mind is that the chart is it is reactional, it's not predictable, okay. The chart reacts, it's not predictable. So you need to be mindful about that. The chart can react in so many ways, but you can't predict the chart. But due to some analysis we have, we can be able to what, trade the chart. The essence of what we're doing now is to be able to trade the chart. I'm taking time to break this down because of our beginners. I know some professionals will be like, why am I wasting their time? Like, I should just head on with what I have to say. But I know that we have some beginners watching this video right now and they might not understand what they're seeing. So currently on the dollar index, which I already told you guys is the strength of the dollar, I anticipate dollar to move up into this what, this resistance level. A resistance is like a ceiling. I expect the ball, when you throw a ball on a ceiling, what happens? The ball hits the ceiling and comes back down to you. So I expect price, which is a ball, to go up here and hit on this ceiling. When it hits this ceiling, it's going to bounce off it and fall, and then fall to the floor. This is the floor. Okay, so that's what I see currently on dollar. So starting off the week, we expect dollar to gain some strength. Okay, after it gains some strength starting off the week, before the week runs out, dollar is going to lose some strength and we're going to see some massive drop in the price of dollar. I hope that is understandable. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Let's move to the next pair. The forex market is traded in pairs. So when you want to trade euro, you don't just trade only euro, except you're in an European zone like in Italy, in Germany, in Euro Central, in France, then you trade just euro, okay, which is your buying and selling goods and services with the euro currency unit. But when we come to the forex market, it is a financial market, it is a global market. We trade euro against dollar. And if you can look on the top left corner, the same position where we had the dollar index, you can see we have euro slash US dollar. Euro slash US dollar. The 4H beside it means that each candle we're currently looking at, this is called candles, okay. Everything we see over here is called candles. So each candles we're currently looking at represents 4 hours of time. 4 hours of time. So in that case whereby we are trying to trade the market, we analyze the market with what, candlestick patterns. We analyze the market with candlestick patterns. So if you want to be able to trade the market and trade it profitably, you need to know how to read these candlestick patterns. That's why you need a mentor. You don't just come and start trading without knowing how to read this candlestick, because it is the language of a trader. So there are some languages this candlestick speaks to us as traders, and we can be able to read these patterns and we're able to use it to make some profit in the market. Okay guys, so that is what you'll be taught in our academy, how you can be able to read these candlesticks, how you can be able to make money with the candlesticks, and how you can be able to what, use these candlestick patterns, which will be teaching you to what, become a profitable trader. So I hope you guys understand everything I have said so far. I hope you have understood everything I have said so far. If you have understood, please type I have understood. If you have not, drop your questions on the comment section. Please drop your questions on the comment section. So with that said, we have Euro USD right now. We have Euro against the dollar, and Euro is 90% correlated with DXY. Okay, Euro USD is 90% correlated with DXY. So I see Atama says yes, boss, that he understands everything I have explained so far. Thank you. If you understand, smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we go live during the week, whenever we go trading live during the week, you'll be able to join our live trading sessions and make profit with us as we trade as well. So for the Euro USD, it is 90% correlated with dollar. When I say 90% correlated with dollar, it means that whenever DXY, which is the strength of the dollar, is reacting, Euro USD is also reacting in the way the DXY is reacting, but in an opposite direction. We expect DXY to go to the upside before it goes to the downside. So for Euro USD, we expect Euro USD to go to the downside before it goes to the upside. That's what I see for Euro USD before it goes to the upside. That's what I see currently on Euro USD. And why I see this is because the market has created a new structure. The market has created a new structure over here. And with this new structure the market has created, it has given us an opportunity for us to be able to make profits in the market and trade the buy side opportunity. So that's what I see currently for Euro USD. There is a market structure break to the upside. And since we have this market structure break to the upside, it is now an opportunity for us to trade the buy setup. So we're looking for buy opportunities to buy the euro, okay, against the dollar, and then we'll be expecting market to come into this resistance level. So we'll be buying the euro against the dollar within this support level. We're buying it within this support level, which is more like a floor. If you get a ball and bounce this ball on the floor, the ball is going to hit the floor and come up. Okay, so in that case now we expect price euro against the dollar. Dollar is going to be strong starting off the week and then push euro down towards this support level. When it gets to this support level, we'll be looking up for our buy opportunities to buy the euro against the dollar. And then when that opportunity comes up, I'll be sending the signals within our free group and also in our VIP group. So if you don't want to miss any of the opportunities, the link is going to be on the description. Click the link on the description and join the group. Once you join the group, you can be able to get these signals and trade these signals with us and become profitable. So we buy this euro against the dollar when it comes into this zone, and then we'll be able to make profit when it moves up, which is a continuation pattern. So we're looking more for our buy setups. Let's see what the sentiment is saying about euro against the dollar. Okay, so if you have any questions, please drop it on the comment section. I can see Gloria Raymond says I understand. I'm trying as much as possible to break this down for you so that even if a 5 years old boy is watching this or a 5 years old girl is watching this, they can be able to understand it vividly. Okay, I'm not using big jargons and big words that would make it more complex for you people. Okay, so if you like what I'm doing, just smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to encourage this particular education to spread across different traders who would need it as well. So market sentiment indicators. One of the most popular method of measuring sentiment is using sentiment indicators. These indicators provide insight into market sentiment, such as the percentage of traders who are bullish or bearish on a particular currency. Market sentiment. One of the main advantage of using forex sentiment analysis is that it can help traders make more informed trading decisions by understanding the overall sentiment of the market. Traders can better anticipate price movements, identify potential trading opportunities, and manage risk more effectively. What is forex sentiment? Forex sentiment is the feeling or perception of market participants towards a currency pair. Forex sentiment is the feeling or perception of market participants towards a currency pair. It is an essential aspect of forex trading as it plays a crucial role in determining the direction of the market. Forex sentiment is driven by a wide range of factors, including economic data, geopolitical events, news events, and market trends. While there are various methods of measuring sentiment, traders should use sentiment analysis in conjunction with other technical and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. So currently we see that the market sentiment on Euro USD is 71% short, 29% long. And then the total market is about 37% of traders out of 100% of traders are trading Euro against the dollar. And out of that 37%, 71% is saying that Euro USD will sell, which I am not I'm not confused about it, because I told you guys as soon as the week starts up, I expect Euro USD to sell and get to this zone first before we start looking for our buy setups. So that sell for the sentiment is accurate. Okay, guys. I hope you understood. If you understood, please smash the like button and also reply I understand. If you don't, please share your questions on the comment section. So once the sentiment fulfills this sell opportunity, then we'll now start looking for our buy opportunity. I'll be more interested for the buy opportunity, which is the next wave, more than the sell opportunity. Thank you. So we move to the next one, which is AUD USD. AUD USD. Australian dollar against the United States dollar. The market has opened for the Australian dollar. Okay. You can see the timer has started to tick. The timer has started to tick for the Australian dollar because they are the first pairs to open, AUD and then NZD. They are the first pairs to open. The chart is loading, guys. Okay, Atama says I understand. Atama says he understands what I've been explaining so far. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So for AUD against the dollar, the same structure I see for the Euro USD, that's the same structure I see for AUD against the dollar. Okay, guys. So for AUD against the dollar, we will be anticipating market to come back within this support area, which is more like a floor. And then when market or price gets to this support area, then we'll be looking for our buy opportunities. Okay. So what I see currently for AUD against the dollar is it needs to move down within this level, and then from here we start moving to the upside. That's what I see currently for AUD USD. AUD USD. That's what I see currently for AUD USD. So I'm moving towards this level for the AUD against the USD pair. Okay, guys. So one corrective structure downwards and another push to the upside. Okay, because for AUD USD last week we were anticipating for AUD to come back within this support zone. There was an order block here, pending orders that we needed to be executed or activated. The market came and took some stops. After it took some liquidity, then it started moving to the upside, creating buy structure. On Thursday, there was a massive spike to the upside. A lot of people missed this spike to the upside, but the initial jobless claims made it possible. By 1:30 p.m. last week, Thursday, the initial jobless claims in the United States of America was higher than expected. So when there is more people saying that they don't have jobs in the United States, it is making the dollar weak. That was what really made AUD strong against the dollar, and there was a buy to the upside. So now, starting off this week, we'll be looking for what fundamental analysis that will still push the dollar stronger towards the support level, and we'll be focusing on this fundamental analysis tomorrow, 7 a.m. London session. We'll be trading the London session and also be breaking down the fundamental analysis. We'll be analyzing the markets, few pairs, London pairs. We'll be trading as well, and we'll be able to predict which fundamental analysis is going to push the market towards the downside and then next to the upside towards this resistance level. Let's see what sentiments has to say about let's see what sentiment has to say. Okay, so AUD USD. This is AUD USD. So sentiment says that 70% short, 30% long. 70% short, 30% long. So it's not bad. I already told you guys that I'm anticipating a sell before a buy. So the sentiment is accurate. The 70% that wants to sell will sell towards this zone. When you get to this zone, then we'll now start seeing some positive increase in the sentiment based on buys. Then from here, we'll now start looking for a push to the upside for the Australian dollar. So the next on the list is GBP USD, which is the Great Britain pound against the United States dollar. The Great Britain pound against the United States dollar. Okay. If you have any questions about anything so far, drop it on the comment section. If you have any questions about anything we have said so far, drop it on the comment section. If you understand, tell us you understand. Okay, I think the chat has already opened for the Great Britain pound as well. The chat has started reading. It started reading by 10 o'clock, I believe. It started reading by 10 o'clock today. Okay, yeah, I can see the chat has started reading already. So, for the Great Britain pound, we have the same bias, okay, to look for our buy setups only. We have the same bias to look for our buy setups only. So currently for GBP USD, I see that the market has started looking having some buy momentum. So in the presence of this buy momentum, I still anticipate that the market is going to have a little bit of correction. The market is going to have a little bit of correction. So after this correction is completed within this support zone, let me show you guys the support zone where I anticipate the market to come into. I anticipate the market to come into this support zone over here. Come on. Okay, good. So I anticipate the market to move down, come into the support zone, trigger some trades, and start moving to the upside. This is what I see for the Great Britain pound against the United States dollar. Okay, guys. So I want you guys to trade with caution and be able to. What is going on? I tapped this. Okay, this is what I see for Great Britain pound against the dollar. I expect it to come into this support zone. Okay, so after it has completed this move into this support zone, we look for our buy setups. Okay, because why I anticipate it is because this market structure break, which is more like a continuation structure, is still valid. It is 100% still valid. Okay, guys, and why I think it's 100% still valid is because this particular support zone, which created the leverage and the opportunity for the market to push to the upside to this point, still holds. It still holds. This support zone still holds. So since it held the market over here, I'm anticipating one market to come back here to grab the pending orders that are lying within this area, which I know that there are a lot of pending orders lying within this area. The market never came back to grab those orders. When it does, then we'll now start moving to the upside, okay, from this area. So I'm looking for more buy opportunities. Arizona Daniel says that he understands what I've been talking about so far. Okay, that's good. I hope I'm doing a good job when it comes to explaining this to you as a 5 years old boy or a 5 years old girl. I want you to understand it in a simplified manner. Okay, because a lot of people can look at what you're looking at and fall asleep very quick. So I'm trying to make it more interesting and more understandable, because one thing that makes people lose interest and one thing that makes people sleep whenever they are being educated is because they were able to meet a misunderstood word or a misunderstood sentence. You understand? Then once they encounter such word or sentence, they lose interest and the brain falls asleep. But if you're saying that you understood, that means I'm doing good by explaining these terms and these particular visions I have for this chat vividly in simplified words. So, with that said, if you want to study with us, this is not the words you'll be taught with. You need to take note of it. You won't be taught with these words. And I know a lot of professional traders that will be there now and they will start saying, he's talking about support and resistance, he's talking about trend lines, he doesn't know how to trade. I know the ego and the ego you have in you would want you to judge, but you have no right to judge. You're not God. I'm trying as much as possible to make beginners understand. You can be a professional trader, but you can never in your life teach people how to become a professional trader. Someone can be a professional trader and have the skills to learn how to teach. Teaching is a skill. You might not have the skill. You want me to communicate with you in your own terms and in your own languages. I understand. But I need to break this down to people that are not in your level so that they can get to your level and earn money as well in this financial market. That is why I'm taking the terms I'm using to be able to explain it to them. It doesn't mean that I can't introduce to you jargons of liquidity, fair value gaps, change of character, and so on and so forth. All those things are jargons and languages. But the main point there is that, do you understand? One, and two, with this knowledge you have, are you making money from the market? Chukwuka Ezugu says network is very bad. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I think we need to continue. This GBP USD over here now is the support area for GBP USD. You can change your direction or where you are staying. Chukwuka Ezugu. This is a support area. Support area is more like a floor. Okay. Oh, I'm late, but I was waiting here since no avail. Okay. Me child. I don't know. That name sounds foreign. Please, try as much as possible to play the record all over again. It's just 34 minutes so far. Play the record all over again. And thank you for your patience. We have a little bit of network delay and network challenges. Please make out time to Michael. Why are you making it so confusing? Michael, thank you for your patience. Thank you for coming on time. Please try as much as possible to replay the record all over again. I'll try as much as possible to make it short for you to watch this evening. And then we're not going to have the full breakdown this evening. We will have a second session tomorrow morning 7 a.m. because of we did not start up on time today. I want to be able to complete this by 10:30 or 10:45. So let's go. So the GBP USD, I expect market to come back within this support area. After it comes back within the support area, we're going to move to the upside. Okay, the market has started moving already. There are some pending orders over here. If you go down to the smaller time frame, like 15-minute candles, you'll be able to see entry opportunities for GBP. That's are the entry opportunities I'll be watching out for. And when the market comes to that area, I'll be sending signals within the free channel or the VIP. So don't miss out. Click the link below on the description to join our channel, the VIP channel, right now. So with that said, let's check out sentiment for GBP USD. Let's check out sentiment for GBP USD. The chart is loading, guys. Come on. Okay. So this is GBP USD. Where is it? Okay, this is GPUSD. We have over here on GBP we have, come on, I already cancelled the loading. I was patient enough, guys. Load. Sorry about that. This is my FX book that is currently loading the sentiment. It has to do with both what the banks are thinking, the companies, the retail traders, the investment banks, global traders all over the world, 13 million traders all over the world thinks about these currency pairs. So I'm currently loading the web browser. It loaded up before, but I came back to the page and it was quite sluggish. Let me see if I can get back to that page. Okay, it is loading, guys. But based on what I saw on that sentiment, I think GBP is going to sell to the downside first. after it sells to the downside, then we'll now start looking out for our buy opportunities. So I'm not interested for the sell opportunities on GBP USD. I'm more interested on the buy opportunities when the market comes into this support area, which is more like a floor, and I expect price to bounce off from this floor. Then we'll be looking for our buy opportunities. When that buy opportunities comes, we'll be sending the signals to everyone, and we're going to make money from it. So the next is XAUUSD, XAUUSD, which has to do with gold, God's money, God's money. So XAUSD last week, I anticipated that XAUSD was meant to have a buy what to and head to the target of $2,350 per ounce. But it didn't come down to my buy area. There was what an entry opportunity over here. I saw an entry opportunity at about $2,295 per ounce, but the market never came down to that level. Okay, it just started shooting to the upside on Thursday after we had initial jobless claims to be negative for dollar. A lot of people in the United States of America lost their jobs and they're applying for the government's assistance towards getting food, shelter, basic needs to be able to survive. So over here now, that was what really happened. Gold to gain some strength, and uncertainty in the market led to the price of gold to move to the upside. So with that said, now we're expecting gold to have a corrective structure to the downside. Okay, we're expecting gold to have a corrective structure to the downside. After it has this corrective structure to the downside, from here we're expecting gold to move more up to the upside towards the $2,400 per ounce. $2,400 per ounce. That's what I expect gold to achieve within this week. $2,400 per ounce. So everyone that has a pending order on XAUUSD, I sent this as a swing trade. It's already got to our target, and then we need to delete this trade so it doesn't come back and take our stop loss before it continues moving to the upside. So we're going to delete this trade on gold, and I'll be monitoring the chart. Once I see another opportunity for us to buy XAU against the dollar, then we're going to go in and buy gold against the dollar to what to be able to make profits in the market. It is a very volatile market, okay? It is a very volatile pair, and I trade it with precaution. Okay, so you guys shouldn't always FOMO in such situation. Okay, I am a trader that I never FOMO. Once I get into a room, of a million traders or a billion traders, one thing I love about myself is that I have my unique strategy, I have my unique view, I have my unique approach. You might be thinking that you want to buy or you want to sell. I'm not bothered. Why? Is because I have my own strategy. Once my strategy plays out and tells me, boy, it is time to buy, or sir, it is time to sell, I ride the market and I buy or sell. Okay, I just react like a robot. Okay, so I don't FOMO when I see someone else thinking that gold will buy at a certain point or sell at a certain point. And you need to get to that level. That's why we need to make you a professional, independent trader. So no matter somebody else's opinion, you have your own opinion, you have your own view, you have your own strategy, and you can be able to use this to be able to make money and print money from the market consistently. So with that said, let us see if the sentiment has loaded up. Okay, so for this, the sentiment has loaded up. Let us check out GBP XA. So GBP, we are correct. We have 62% short and 38% long. So I anticipated GBP to drop down a bit before it starts buying to the upside. So we're still accurate on GBP. Let's check out XAUUSD, 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 XAUUSD. We have XAUGBP over here. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for XAUUSD. This is XAUEU, XAU Gold. Sorry, XAUAUD, XAUJPY, XAUUSD. Where is XAUUSD? XAUUSD, XAUUSD, XAUUSD. Okay, we found XAUUSD. So for XAUUSD, we're anticipating 60% short, 40% longs. 60% short, 40% long. So I'm still accurate based on this corrective structure. The market bought massively. So we're anticipating what a sell. Okay, more like a corrective structure. I'm not interested on the corrective structure. I'm interested on the next buy setup. Okay, so if I see the next buy setup, I'll be taking that trade, okay? And probably the market could use this reoptimization zone to be able to set up its buy opportunity to continue pushing to the upside. When I say a reoptimization zone, I literally mean in simple terms that a resistance, which is more like a selling, is now turned into a floor. Okay, this is what I mean. Let's say, for instance, the market was moving to the upside from this level, and then it came over here and was resisted, and price came back to the downside. After price came back to the downside, there was an opportunity for price to still move to the upside from this level. Okay, after it moved to the upside, it came back down again. After it came back down from here, it broke this level. After it broke this level, which is now what, it broke this previous selling, which resisted price from breaking over here and resisted price from breaking over here. It then turns it into a support and continue moving to the upside. At this point, I call it a reoptimization zone because it has turned what a previous resistance into a support. Okay. Yes, you everyone can use their own jargon. Okay, ICT can bring up their own jargons, smart money concept that can bring up their own jargons, but seriously, everyone is trading demand and supply. Let's not deceive ourselves. Keep it simplified, please. Don't always from that you know so much about the market. Please just make money from the market. Make money from the market. So, with that said, now I see that the market is going to come back towards this. Is going to come back towards this sub resistance level and turn it into a support, a reoptimization zone. And from here, we can now start looking for our buy setups for gold, XAUSD towards this resistance zone, which also has a weekly resistance as well. I marked it out with this ash box over here. If you have anything confusing so far, please drop it on the comment section. If you don't, we can move to the next pair. And the next pair is one of my favorites, BTC USDT, the people's money. BTC USDT, the people's money. So for BTC USDT, I anticipate Bitcoin to move to the upside towards the $80,000 per Bitcoin mark. But currently, the structure has changed. This structure I expected last week has completely changed. Why I say that this structure has completely changed is because the market came to this area, had this corrective structure, and from this area, I was expecting it to continue pushing to the upside. But what happened? It broke, and what created what a continuation pattern of the sell. So what I anticipate, just to make everything what straightforward, is that I anticipate Bitcoin to come back into this target of $50,000 per Bitcoin mark, $50,000 per Bitcoin mark to $52,000 per Bitcoin mark. Don't miss this buy opportunity. This is the next what area, the next rainbow chart area to be able to buy Bitcoin for it and then utilize the opportunity for massive growth in the next bull run. So once the market gets to $50,000 per Bitcoin mark, okay, you go in for that trade. So what I see currently for Bitcoin is that since Bitcoin broke this low, I told you guys that I wanted Bitcoin after the halving. I wanted Bitcoin to start moving to the upside. But since Bitcoin broke this low, which was more like a massive support area, which is a floor that the price has been respected very, very well. Over here, the market respected it. Over here, the market respected it and was creating a bull structure. Over here, the market respected it without breaking and starting moving to the upside again. But after this break we saw over here, and now anticipating what for Bitcoin to what move to the upside and have a similar break as this particular one we see over here. It's going to have a similar downtrend because one downtrend, or let me say one down wave or one impulsive wave has another impulsive wave based on wave structure. So we expect market to what have another impulsive wave to the downside towards this $50,000 per Bitcoin mark. And when we have this $50,000 per Bitcoin mark, we now start having a push to the upside. And the push to the upside is going to be more similar to this particular push we have here to the upside on BTC USDT. Okay, so let's be very mindful, let's be very conscious, and let's be very active and ready to buy Bitcoin when it gets to that level. Okay, so what I see for Bitcoin currently is what there's going to be another push to the downside, corrective structure, push to the downside on this particular level, and then the main bull run proper starts pushing to the upside towards $80,000 per Bitcoin mark. Please, if you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. If you don't have any questions, okay, drop I understand, smash the like button, comment below, and then be able to watch, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So whenever we go live, you'll be notified when we're live. So now let me dive into some opportunities we have for you guys today. For a lot of you that want to earn passive income, okay, a lot of traders are in the room, a lot of professional traders are watching this, and I want to tell you guys, keep it up. I know that the hustle is not easy, consistency is the key, risk management is the main game that is going to keep you in the field forever. Money management is the discipline you need to be able to apply what growth in this market, and you're going to what achieve success definitely if you have this in your forehead every morning before you place a trade. Those traders who are not yet profitable, who want to be able to achieve profitability, this is my account, HFM Copy Account with Tony FX. Okay, I am currently offering copy trading services. Let me explain to you what copy trading services is. Copy trading services is an opportunity for you to copy my signals automatically. Okay, it is a way for you to be able to make money in the financial market without even learning. It is a way for you to be able to learn from mastering the way I trade the market on your account. So with copy trading services, it is a way whereby you as an individual needs to create a broker account, and the broker I use is HFM. I have been using HFM since 2019, okay, and I've used them to this point of 2024. I have not had any issue, I have not had any story of scams. Instead, I have had countless stories of development, countless stories of improvement, countless stories of promotion. If you want to earn from the market passively, if you want to be profitable, if you want to be profitable, if you want to earn from the market passively, enroll for my copy trading service. It is very simple. The link to register with my broker is on the description. Don't give yourself an excuse today. The opportunity is on your table knocking for you. Okay, the opportunity is on your table, and what you're looking at right now is my trading results. You might be asking, how much will I be making every week? How much will I be making every month? This is the percentage you're seeing. This is the record on a daily basis. Based on the track record, I started this account in February 18th, 2024, after our HFM event in February. I deposited $100 into this account, and I started trading with $100 and connected different traders to my own account. Okay, so on a daily basis, based on my track record, I make 0.31%. On a monthly basis, I make 9.92%. Let's say 10% on a monthly basis of whatever you put into the account. Okay, the drawdown I have had so far is about 39.23%. Okay, and we have been able to make profit of about $36.55, and withdrawal has been completed. The withdrawal that has been completed is $29.70. Okay, this particular account is my own account, and I have plans to compound it. The reason why I created this account is not really to make money and withdraw the money. No, the reason why I created this account is to be able to create a track record within HFM. I have known HFM since 2019. I have known about copy trading since 2021. And my business mentors then would always tell me I am a professional trader. I should offer copy trading services to my what? To my students or investors, okay, who want to be able to make money from the market, but they don't need to learn, or who want to be able to connect their account to a professional trader and earn money without even what? Practicing the day-to-day life of a trader. So that's why I came up with copy trading services. This copy trading services gives us the opportunity to copy my trades. Okay, this money is in my account. I'm not into a get rich quick scheme. I'm not going to place a stupid trade in a day. When I say stupid trade, opening a trade of 0.5 lots. Okay, for our professional traders who are watching this, you understand what I mean. I'm not going to be risking, let me say for instance, $100 on one trade. I cannot risk $100 on one trade. I'm going to take conservative risk. The purpose of this is to grow this account steady, steady, steady. Okay, it is what a get rich what steady, build a profitable portfolio at the end of the year. Okay, so that is what the purpose of this account is. I want to use this account and become ranked the top 10 in HFM in the whole world. That's my target. Okay, and I'm going to achieve this target within a time period of this year 2024. and 2025. I'm giving myself 1 year to get to the top 10. Okay, and that's why I need you guys to be behind me. Okay, to connect your account to my own account. I am doing the work, I am doing the studies, I am doing the trading to be able to get to this level. I'll be adding more funds into this account. If I get more capital, I'll be adding more funds. Each deposit, probably $50 every month, I'll be adding it. If I add that to the end of this year, this account could be at $1,000 by the ending of the year. I'm dedicated to grow this account, okay? And I want you guys to follow me along the line as I do that. And as well, this week we're diving into, okay, we have a heads up for you guys. We're going to be getting an account from the Lion Heart Funding Firm, a company that I introduced to you guys last week. Me myself personally, I'll be purchasing an account of $5,000. I'll be paying $49 tomorrow, and I'll purchase the account. As soon as I purchase the account, I'll be able to trade this account and pass the quiz on this account. Once I pass the quiz on this account, I can be able to trade this account. Whatever profit I make on this account, I can be able to withdraw and spend it on myself. So that is the opportunity I'll be sharing with you guys this week. I'll be passing the account in your presence to show you that trading really pays. But for you guys that are not into, you need capital, you just need what guidance, or you need a source of income, passive source of income without the hustle of learning, or you don't really have money to pay up for the whole mentorship, or you want to start earning from forex markets, copy trading is for you. You just register with our broker HFM, verify your account with your NIN, deposit your account with $25 minimum, or maximum is unlimited. If you can bring $10 million, we are going to deposit, we are going to manage it for you. Copy trading can do it. If you can bring $1 million, we are going to manage it for you. Copy trading can do it. Okay, I have built the mentality, I have built the psychology, and I have built the discipline to manage any capital you present to me. Bring $1 billion, I will manage it. Okay, because the value I want to give to the world is worth $1 trillion. The type of opportunities I want to share within my community, the type of opportunities I want to share within the world is worth $1 trillion. Give me $1 trillion, I will establish it, a chain of companies that will be offering these opportunities to man, and they'll be able to impact their life and become a better person financially, health wise, and so on and so forth. Okay, comfort, and so on and so forth. So this is what I'm trying to let you guys know. This copy trading service is a service that is offered to you as a trader. Okay, register with our broker. The link is going to be on the description. If you have anything confusing, reach out to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp details is on the description. We can schedule a one-on-one meeting, and I'll set up your account for you. Register your account, verify your account with your NIN, and be able to make your deposit instantly. After you make your deposit instantly, you connect your account to my own account. It's going to be connected. Any trade I place on my own account will be placed on your own account. If I'm profitable, you'll be profitable. If I'm on loss, you'll be on loss. At the end of the week, at the end of the month, whatever profit you make, in the process of you making a withdrawal, HFM will take 55% and send it to your wallet. 55% of the amount you're withdrawing and send it to your wallet, and 45% will be sent to my wallet automatically, because the accounts are connected with the help of HFM broker, which I've been using since 2019. Just see, like, you open up an account with Access Bank, a dollar account with Access Bank, and you connect your dollar account to my own dollar account. Any stock I buy on my dollar account will be bought on your own dollar account. Any stock I sell on my own dollar account will be sold on your own dollar account, which they currently do in Access Bank right now. So I wish you guys a profitable trading week. Remember, tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., we're still having this same call. We're breaking down the fundamentals and sharing more opportunities. Don't miss tomorrow's call. We'll be sharing opportunities, like asking questions, and then at the end, anyone who answers the question will be able to gain a reward from us. Giveaway. That is what we're doing tomorrow by 7 a.m. London session here on YouTube. The link is going to be dropped in the group. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Please, if you really enjoyed and got value, smash that like button, comment comment below the value you got, and subscribe so that this channel will grow and the education will be able to spread to further traders who need this help wherever they are. Thank you so much, and have a profitable trading week. Peace.